Good morning, everyone. I want to specially welcome all who are joining us today for a special weekly review. So far, it's been an amazing year, 2024, and as Forex traders, we have great expectations in the markets. Towards the end of last year, we had some kind of experiences that are not usually friendly. We expect to win all the time. We anticipate to win all the time, but you see, when markets begins to come towards the close of the year, there's a common experience, which is the closure of markets. But you see, this is the beginning of the year, and financial institutions are opened. The market is opened. There's enough money coming into the market, and charts are going as fast as expected. So quickly, I'm going to share my screen. My screen is up now, and I have my trading view app on the screen. Just want to be sure that my audio is on and my screen is on because of the past experience on Monday. Sorry about that, and it's a busy week, so it's not easy for me to do another video. I observed that the audio for Monday. Okay, so as usual, we usually take our analysis from the 1 week time frame, after which in this 1 week time frame we just take price actions and trend lines. We go straight to 24 hours, then we repeat the same thing: price actions, key levels, but we do not take trend line because the 1 week and the 24 hours trend is the same. So because of that, we just go straight to 4 hours time frame, where we turn on section breaks. These lines are section breaks. They tell you the beginning of the day and the ending of the day, of which we now use on Monday to spot the two candles that begins the week. Okay, that's 1st January. No, sorry, that's last week. 8th January happens to be Monday, and these are the two candles. 8th January. Oh, I'm seeing a little bit of mix up here. This is Sunday. No wonder we have errors in the course of the week. This is Friday. This is Monday. Okay, we're correct. So here are the two candles that begins the week, this and this. So we take the week and we take the high and the low of those two candles. The high gives us the buy region, the low gives us the sell region for the week. Then we take the price action lines, after which we take trend line, because the 4-hour trend line is not the same as the 24 hours trend line. After that, we go straight to, okay, we also take the buy stop liquidity and the sell stop liquidity. So we are looking at if price for any reason buys, once it gets here, because of the liquidity grab, we're going to stop buying. And if price eventually goes for sell, once it gets here, we're going to stop selling because of the liquidity grab. That will be all for 4 hours. We go straight to 1 hour, where we take price actions. We don't take trend line because it's the same as 4 hours. Then we just go straight to 15 minutes, which is our last time frame and our entry time frame. So this is where we make the entries. So on this time frame, we do not take trend line, we do not take price actions, we just focus on psychological levels. So our first psychological level happens to be at the current price, which is this first one, and then 50 pips apart we create the other ones. Funny enough, this week is a very funny movement. I think because the market was a bit slow, but thank God for the CPI, it has given the market a break. So I believe next week will be a great move, because since after CPI the market was able to make a move, but at this side market was not really making any move. But thank God for our strategy that always gives us an edge in the market. I implore you all to take advantage of this beautiful strategy. If for any reason you have any issues with understanding the strategy, all you need to do is to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow the videos we made on this strategy so you can understand how we use it. So how did we use this strategy? It's very simple, very simple. We have the factors that helps us to take these entries. Let me bring it close while we discuss. Okay, so how did we take these entries? First of all, we ensured that there was no news. We looked at the trend lines, no close trend line to this movement. We looked at the psychological level. We looked at the price actions. We looked at the weak low, strong low, weak high, strong high, and all of the price action factors, such as the SMC price action and the ICT price actions. Then we look at region. Here is our sell region, here is our buy region. On the sell region, we go for long sells, short buys, and on the opposite side we go long buys, short sells. Then we look at volume, okay, volume, and then pattern. So in this case, price was giving us something that looks like an M pattern. Volume was a confirmation for bearish. The region was going towards the sell region, which would go for long bearish move, and the price was giving us a clear indicator that we can go bearish, and there was no news. Trend line was a confirmation for us. But when we entered that trade, price went just it's a good pip if you planned it properly. Price went just 40 pips, and price stopped at this price action line. You see why you must not joke with your price action line. That line became a key line. Became a key line because if you look at, price never came down below that line throughout the week. So it was more like the market did a major reversal from that line. So don't joke with your price action lines. So that was where market began to reverse, and I wished I didn't take this entry. I was wishing that maybe this was my entry. Okay, but you see, don't be moved by this is the mistake most young traders make. They are moved by what they wish to have done in the market than what their strategy and their rules tell them. Stick to the rules, stick to the strategy, watch it play out. Okay, that's how to be consistently profitable, because you can actually get this as long as it's outside your rules. That's how you will lose another one and you'll be in massive loss. So stick to the rules. So this is what the rules could only give us 40 pips, and then the rules gave us this major win, though it was very slow. That's why I complained a little bit about the market before it hits take profit. Okay, same rules we used here. When you see a change of character, bullish change of character, it tells you that this is a bullish move. When price began to consolidate here, it tells you that this is a ranging market. So it tested twice before it went fully bearish. This change of character is a confirmation for another entry in case you want to enter at this cycle level. We had the next entry which we never knew that price was going to break that take profit to this point. We didn't see that coming. Okay, so we stick to our rules. Our rules told us to just go bearish a bit, and we cut this. And when we saw price, anytime you see price at these two candles that begins the week, just know that market is becoming indecisive. Except market has broken upward or downward, we might not be able to tell the move. So this is what we could see, and that's why we took this one. This change of character is fake. Take note of such change of characters. Change of character that's at the tip of your entry, they're usually fake. Don't bank on them. This market was supposed to just get a POI, point of interest, and go bearish if this was a true change of character. And I know that must have deceived a lot of traders. This order block proves where market was intentionally going to. So all you needed to do was to confirm another change of character, get a POI, and go bullish. In case, I'm just showing you this in case you want to catch that move. But this was already evening time, and we do not take trades. Okay, I caught the move. I'm just seeing that now. But it was a long trend. I took it that evening and I held it for long. I held it even after CPI. You can see I updated stop loss though, because stop loss was just about here initially. But when I saw CPI coming, I put stop loss on a strong low, knowing that CPI would be going for liquidity. So I needed to be outside all the liquidity of CPI if I would hold after CPI. Take note, we don't trade news. I was on a long trend, and when you're in a long trend, you don't close your move. Not like I was trading the news, but I needed to hold the move for a while. I actually thought CPI was going to break upward, so I was going to count that as one of my major hits in the market. So price came, retested twice, so you can see the consolidation going on here. So now what's going through your mind is, what will Monday be like? Don't miss our analysis on Monday morning. It will help you to be able to know what Monday will be like. It's beyond just asking. So here, why did we go like this? Because we saw this change of character and this break of structure. This was a confirmed entry, and this was our major hit because we were so sure of this entry. So we took a big lot size and we cut. Let's see, we cut about 40 pips. So it was a good one. 42 pips. It was a good one. Then there was a secondary bounce, though we didn't take big lot size because knowing that it's Friday and market was closing, just took a little and we got 30 pips. Okay, so this was the entries we made, and so far no regrets at all. If you're wondering how we are able to have the edge in the market, I've told you, subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch the videos we've made previously concerning this strategy, enlighten yourself during this weekend. This is a time to back test. This is a time to look at your strategy and look at what did not work at last week, so that you can be able to understand what to do in the following week. This is a time to read, learn more, study more, follow more mentors to enlighten you more about this market. And this is a time to realign, look at your strategy closely so that you can win. This week we're entering is going to be a very great week. I'm anticipating a lot from the week, and the news is what helps us know that market is going to be directional. So let me see, 13th is today, tomorrow is 14th. So for Monday we do not have much news, not much impact news, but we have news. So it's a clear sign that market will be good on Monday. Then we have high impact news on Tuesday. So this is just clearly showing you that market has resumed. Same with the next day, which is Wednesday. So I'm looking forward to those of you who has challenges to win it this week. If you have challenges you've won and you want to earn from any this week. If you have accounts that have been suffering since last year, and then grow it this week, make money this week, win this week. But this is going to be a great week. Alright, so looking forward to having you on Monday morning for our weekly analysis. Until then,